This episode we are installing the YOTA Xpedition Toyota Grill and Raptor Lights on our 2022 Toyota TRD Off-Road Premium 4Runner. Should be a lot of fun, so let's go do this. Welcome back everyone to a new episode from On Down the Road Productions. Terry here. We really appreciate you guys being here with us and helping us grow. So this episode we are so excited. I've got a Toyota bar grill for the truck, so the truck will look like a TRD Pro now. And I'm even more excited about the Raptor lights that are going in, because for me, having a lot of experience with motorcycling, those 4 LED amber lights in the grill of the 4Runner will make the truck safer, especially in inclement weather, in terms of other people seeing me before I see them. And it's just a cool look. Top of the world stuff. We got this delivered from YOTA Xpedition right before Christmas. We got a lucky break today here in Michigan. We've got 54 degrees, so I'm able to use the garage. I had been concerned that I would not be able to put this on until spring, right? Because winter's been so bad. We just had the cyclone storm that nailed a lot of the country, and it got super cold here where we're at. So this is like a gift from above, and we're going to install this YOTA Xpedition Toyota bar and Raptor lights on our truck. Let's go to step 1.
A few moments later.
Okay, the first thing that we're going to want to do is remove these 13 clips that hold this tray in place. I have a clip removal tool for 2 of the clips because I lost 2 of my Toyota original clips, and the Toyota clips come out really easy, and we'll do one right now. All you need to do is press on it like that, and off it goes. It'll pop right out like that, okay? This is the other clip. These are clips I bought on Amazon. So this is why I have the tool. I have 2, I use 2 of these. I was supposed to go to my, it doesn't want to come out. It's up. It's up. Oh boy. But I have a whole peg of these clips. Maybe I need to do this. I want to thank my expert camera person too for this, Jared. He's one of my automotive buddies. Here we go. It's out. I just needed to lift on the center there. Okay. Well, what the heck, you know, because we love today and 2023 is right around the corner. Let's do this one. So I should go at it in the center. Up it goes and out it goes. Okay, great. And we'll do one more Toyota clip. There it is. So we'll do this another 9 times and move on to step 2.
Eventually.
Here's a good view of the plastic tray lifted off the 4Runner, and this is what we're looking at here to continue our installation of our YOTA Xpedition grill and Raptor lights. I want to thank YOTA Xpedition for such a nice packaging job on these parts and for installing the Toyota letters for me. I appreciate that. I thought I needed to do some drilling. If you do select letters, they'll put them on for you. And you can see back here our harness and Raptor lights we need to install here on this, which replaces all of this right here. I want to thank YOTA Xpedition too for this nice gift that came in the package. We have been supporters of YOTA Xpedition at On Down the Road Productions. We feature their platform and channel on our main page, and we say thank you. Now we need to remove this clip here on the left side and this clip here, and we've already taken out this 10mm bolt here. So I will remove this clip and this clip now. Okay, this clip is out. It's a different clip than what you would find in the top 13, so keep these separate from the other 13 clips. Do this one, and what you want to do here, I have a plastic tool. Some people use a screwdriver, but the plastic tool is flexible and lets you go in here and pop up the center head right there, just like that. Okay, our next step is to remove a 10mm bolt right here at the front of the truck. We will do that. Okay, 10mm bolt removed. Let's move on to our next step, and here you can see this clip, that bolt, and this clip are removed. Our next step is to remove these 10 Phillips head screws, and there's 10 of them, and transfer over this bracket here.
Well, that's easy.
One down, and we will do it 10 more times.
Meanwhile.
Well, this feels like Murphy's Law. We have this together. We have the new YOTA Xpedition grill piece in just fine. But the problem is the YOTA lights did not come installed and there are no instructions with this at all. So we had to send an email. I'm thinking we might need to stop work until I figure this out. They just don't slip in at all. There is a tricky piece on each side of the Raptor light that goes outside and inside. They don't fit cleanly into the grill to twist and turn to lock in place. The simplest thing in the world, and there are no instructions. Hope I figure this out. Today is Saturday, New Year's Eve is tomorrow. I hate to say it, I might be kind of screwed or shafted. They were awesome to pre-install the letters for me. I appreciated that immensely. I had thought these would have been pre-installed too, and now I'm so close to having everything installed and I have to stop work if I can't make this any better. I'll just show everybody what I'm talking about. And the other thing I want to say is I have referenced their video for installation too. I guess these go closer to the top versus the middle, and they fit, but there's no way to lock them in place. I guess I have to wait for YOTA to write me back. Check out our merch store and our new t-shirt. Those links are in the video description. All these products were designed with you in mind. I hand selected the materials and quality. We're excited to be able to offer some On Down the Road Productions swag. So check it out. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I've had some time off here at Christmas and I was so excited to not just get the grill in here, you can see it behind me, but also to have functioning Raptor lights, and it'll happen, it'll get straightened out. So maybe I can do that as part 2 and make a video on YOTA's customer service experience with an issue like this. And if I did something, I'll step up to the plate. Like I had said, no instructions were with the packaging, which is fine. YOTA published an install video here on YouTube, but I really thought the Raptor lights would be pre-installed in the grill. It truly is a challenge to pop them in. Not being a knucklehead. I'm sure it'll sort itself out and we'll be back on the road down the road. Everybody, look forward to the part 2 of this YOTA installation. Remember to take care of yourselves, take care of each other, be good to each other, and try to live your best day possible. We're wishing everyone a Happy New Year. As a matter of fact, tomorrow is New Year's Eve. So until next episode, thank you.